welcome back to Stitch on Saturday, another episode. Today I'm going to show you how to do the Tunisian knit stitch. So we're coming back to crochet. I know in the past couple of episodes I taught you some techniques, knitting stitches. So today I'm using the Clover Takumi 5.5 mm Tunisian crochet hook, and I'm using big twist yarns, the worsted weight size 4 yarn. So I'm gonna first do the foundation chain, show you how to do this in a previous episode. So here I have I've done a foundation row, and I did a Tunisian purl stitch row, which I'll show you in the next week's episode. But today I'm going to show you, so then I did a normal return pass. So now I'm back at the next row. So basically how you do the knit stitch is you go in and go behind, and then you pick up the yarn and pull it through like that. So you go in through this loop, but you're going behind to pick up the yarn, because when you do the simple stitch, all you're doing is you're basically going in the front and doing that. But with the knit stitch, what you want to do is you want to go behind and pull up the stitch. So go behind, pull up the stitch, 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 go behind, pull up the stitch. And then something I didn't mention in my previous episode when I taught you the Tunisian simple stitch is that if you go through both of the loops at the end instead of just going through the first one, it'll be much more neater. It'll be a neater edge. So you want to go through that, and then there you have the knit stitch row, and then you do just a normal return pass as you would with any of the stitches. So then do normal return pass, you're going through the loops, 2 loops like that, and there you have, oops, sorry, I went through too many loops there. So there you have the knit stitch. You can see here. Let me do one more row, sorry. So you do that, you're pulling, remember you're pulling the yarn through from the back. You're taking your hook and you're going in and pulling up from behind. So there you have that. So that is good. And I pull through like that. And then you do that, and there you have it. And that is how you do the Tunisian knit stitch. It's very simple. There you go. That's what the knit stitch looks like. It's seriously, it looks exactly like how you would, like in knitting, the way it looks. So it's really interesting that you can do this with crochet as well. So there you have it. And thank you for joining me again for my Stitch on Saturday episode. I hope you enjoyed learning this stitch, and I'll see you next week.